if a baby has been alive for 3,500 seconds, how old is the baby in years? So what units are we converting? Seconds to years. So what information are we going to need to know in order to go from seconds to years?
1 year equals
1 year equals 365 days. Then we're going to go from days. 1 day is equal to what? 24 hours. We'll go from hours, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And finally, 1 minute
60 seconds.
is equal to 60 seconds. Now we have a connection from our starting unit to our ending unit. Okay, let's set up. I have 3,500 seconds. I'm going to put that over 1. My conversion factor for seconds, if my unit is up top and I want it to disappear, where do I need to put it in my conversion factor? On the bottom. So second will come down here, and what information did we say we know for seconds?
60.
That 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Now I'm going to move and work with minutes. And if I want minutes to disappear, if it's in the top with my conversion factor, it needs to go into the
Bottom.
bottom. So what information did we find out with minutes?
60 minutes.
That 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Alright, one more time. If I want hours to disappear and it's in the top, for this conversion factor, it needs to go into the
Bottom.
bottom. So what information do we find out with hours? That 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Alright, and last but not least, with days. If it's in the top, it's going to go in the bottom with my conversion factor. And what did I find out with days? 365 days is 1 year. My next step, once I have everything set up, I'm going to go and I'm going to cancel out my units. So what units do we see cancel out? My seconds, my minutes, hours, and days. Alright, what units are left up top? Year. What about bottom? I don't have any, right? What did the question ask us to find? In years. So my units are right. Now let's clean up, alright? With a fraction, we multiply numerator to numerator. So our numerator now becomes 3,500 times 1 times 1 times 1 and finally times 1. My denominator is going to become 1 times 60 times 60 times 24 times 365. And last but not least, I need to put my unit. Year. Okay. We multiply our numerator together. What are we going to get? 3,500, right? And our denominator? All the numbers out.
3153.
31,536,000. Okay, and now you're going to divide these two. So in your calculator,
9,000, 10, and 28.
You get something that looks like this, right? This is scientific notation. This means we're gonna take the decimal place and we're gonna move it in the negative direction 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and these will be zeros, okay? So we'll have this as our final answer. We've now converted 3,500 seconds into years.